Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In today's video, I try to test the 120 FPS gameplay support test in the Realme X1 Max device after the recent software update. Yes, just today I did receive the software update in the Realme X1 Max, and after receiving the software update, there are plenty of questions about whether the phone will be able to support the 120 FPS gaming or not. That is what I'm going to concentrate in this video. So this is the latest update which I got, the 8.17, as you can see friends, exactly 8.17 in the Realme X1 Max device. And I'm trying to use the real-time refresh rate. This is not the FPS meter, this is the refresh rate. As you can see, it keeps on changing. So now I did gather 5 games which are actually supported with the high FPS gameplay support. So let's start with the first one by one game. So as soon as I open this game, as you can see, this game actually supports 120 FPS without any problem. So for example, in the Poco F3 GT or iQOO 7 device, so other phones, this game was able to support, even in the OnePlus Nord 2 as well. But right now in the Realme X1 Max, even after the software update, still the game was unable to play at the 120 FPS. You're not getting that kind of speed, as you can see, unless you use that some kind of trick. Yes, so there is actually a method you can actually get that kind of 90 FPS and 120 FPS working in this phone, but you need to follow that kind of trick. Only then it will be able to work. I'll try to explain to you friends how to do that one as well. Right now, as you can see in this gaming, I was unable to get that real-time FPS crossing above 60. I'm not getting above that. As you can see, exactly, it's not increasing. I'm getting only 68 at this moment. So always, every time you get this kind of problem, you need to do this kind of brightness trick which is available. Then the FPS will increase up to 120 FPS. Right now, as you can see, the FPS increased. This is the problem. So this issue still not yet got fixed in the Realme X1 Max device. So still you need to use this kind of trick to play this kind of 120 FPS gaming and 90 FPS gaming in the Battlegrounds Mobile and other games in this phone. So that is the reason I thought of gathering 5 games, not one game, 5 games which actually supports 120 FPS. So this is the first game which I'm trying to play right now, and this game is not supported. Let me try to go to the next game, which is another game, and Ace Force. This is also another game which actually supports 120 FPS, but in the Realme X1 Max, you are not getting that kind of thing. It's only staying around exactly 60 Hz. As you can see, 60 FPS only we are getting right now. We are not getting any kind of 120 FPS. Again, you need to use that kind of brightness trick to get this kind of game working at 120 FPS. As you can see friends, exactly. So same problem with this game as well. And next game, let's see the Subway Surf. Even same problem will happen with the Subway Surf game as well. So still the 120 FPS problem not got fixed in the Realme X1 Max device. Not only in the Battlegrounds Mobile gameplay, doesn't matter what game you play, the refresh rate will remain exactly at 60 Hz only at this point. As you can see clearly, this is the one problem which is there right now. I'm not sure when they will be able to fix this kind of issue, because other phones, they were able to play these games exactly in the high refresh rate. Now only the Realme X1 Max one are unable to play because of the restrictions. Next is the standoff 2 as well. So even the standoff 2, there is an inbuilt FPS meter in this game itself. But still, even though you don't get that kind of 60 FPS, I think 120 FPS working in this phone. No. So it will be remaining only 60 Hz and we'll get only 60 FPS in this gameplay. For some of the games, even using the brightness trick also doesn't work. For example, this standoff 2, even if you use a brightness trick, it doesn't work in the Realme X1 Max. No, it's not working, even after using. So there are some kind of games like this. Not all the games will be able to take that kind of advantage with the trick. Some games doesn't work. So maybe very soon the Realme should fix this kind of issues. As you can see, right now it immediately decreased. Right now we are getting 120 FPS. Let's see whether we are getting or not. No, it's still remaining at 60 Hz only. The Minecraft as well. As you can see friends, exactly. So that is the reason I thought of trying different games and just checking out what is happening. Let's see. Let's use the brightness trick. Yes, if you use a brightness trick, now you will be able to play the 120 FPS. So decrease the brightness to 0, go to the multitasking, again open this game. So then you will be able to get that kind of high FPS coming enabled in this phone. So that's it friends, thank you for watching this video. And overall the 120 FPS problem still not got fixed in the Realme X1 Max, unfortunately. That is the reason I thought of just demonstrating not 5 games just by showing you what is happening in this phone. So thank you for watching and see you in the next video friends. I'll stay tuned for more updates. Meanwhile, in case if you have any other doubts, let me know in the comment section below. Until then, stay tuned friends. Bye.